Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while, so I'm going to make something special. To start, we're going to wash and dice a healthy amount of potatoes. I only recommend peeling these potatoes if you see green. The green part isn't bad for you, however it does taste bitter. Also, when you're selecting potatoes, I recommend avoiding red gold potatoes. While they are good baked, they do not fry up very well. As soon as you have your potatoes diced, go ahead and heat up some oil in the Dutch oven. When you feel the oil is hot enough, pour in your potatoes and then immediately realize that you made a mistake. After fixing our mistake, we're going to start cooking the potatoes properly, and we're also going to prepare the other main ingredients. We're going to take a bell pepper and chop it up, well, like a bell pepper. They say the number of bumps on the bottom affects the way the bell pepper tastes. I can't tell the difference. After looking through our peppers to make sure we don't make the same mistake twice, we're going to chop up some sausage. What you use is up to you. I like to use these pre-cooked sausage links as they mix well with the potatoes. If you use raw sausage, then make sure to drain your grease. If you don't, it'll affect the texture of your meal. You also may be tempted to put some onion in this dish, but I recommend against it. When onions cook, they sweat, and that extra liquid is going to ruin the texture of your dish. Once our ingredients are prepped, we're going to continue to cook our potatoes. Use a toothpick to test the tenderness of our potatoes. Try saying that several times. Potatoes take forever to cook, and they are quite unpleasant if they are undercooked. If you want this process to go faster, you can microwave your potatoes before you start. When you're happy with the texture of your potatoes, add your already cooked sausage. Continue to fry the potatoes and sausage until the sausage gets a nice crispiness to the outside of it. We'll now add our bell peppers. We're not going to cook these bell peppers very much, we're more so heating them up. Once everybody has gotten to know each other, we're going to pull it off the heat and add our last two ingredients. We're going to add some onion powder. This is very important as it's where most of our flavor comes from. We're going to add some cheddar cheese. Practice restraint when adding the cheese. You are only going to add enough so that the material starts sticking together. Add too much, it'll get stuck to your Dutch oven, and it'll be difficult to clean. Now that it's all mixed together, it's ready to serve. I like to fry up an egg and put it on top. And that's all there is to it. Hearty skillets, only 5 ingredients. 6 if you count the oil. So, yeah. See ya.